Have you ever wondered which meme coin will rule the next bull run? Buckle up, because Floki is making a serious run for the top dog spots. We're talking $1 million marketing campaign, a booming play to earn metaverse, and a community that is more fired up than Elon Musk on a tweet day. I was driving in Lagos last week, and boom, Floki on a billboard in Lagos. On this channel, I've made 2 videos already on how Floki will be the next Doge for this bull season. And today, I have 9 more reasons to pay attention to Floki. I'll deliver this in 3 sections. Section 1, what is Floki's story and mission? Floki prides itself on being a movement and not just a digital currency. Floki started as a meme coin. It's not the first meme coin, and it certainly won't be the last, as there are hundreds of meme coins created every single day. But the thing is that Floki is set out to dominate all other meme coin in presence, utility, and influence. So they've been putting a lot of things in place and envisions this upcoming bull season to provide the conditions for it to take its place as the main and top meme coin. Now, being the top meme coin means overtaking with Pepe, Sheep, and Doge. So the thing is, will Floki actually do this? Floki understands that other top meme coin offer momentum of a strong community. It does that too, but what it did further was to integrate visionary leadership and an enhanced utility and innovative products into its expanding ecosystem, including the Flokify Locker, comprehensive staking program, strong partnership and collaboration, Valhalla, the play-to-earn metaverse and blockchain game, DAO governance, launch of their sister reward token, TokenFi, and more to come. And did I mention Floki have built schools in Africa? So the way I see it, Floki is not trying to follow trend, but rather create them in the meme coin space. Now, to summarize section 1, Floki is a meme coin to the core in essence and spirit. Other meme coins stops here. Floki has gone ahead to blend meme culture, community engagement, unrivaled utility, strong leadership, vision, and execution of the highest quality to set a standard and demonstrate what a meme coin can accomplish. And in my last videos, I've talked about some of this. Now, section 2. Let's look at the website. So this is the Floki website. I'll leave all links in the description. If you go here, I think you should watch this. It's quite interesting. These are some places you can find Floki, and this is the Floki ecosystem. So you have the Valhalla, TokenFi, now staking. I'll talk about this more. You have the Flokify NFT, Floki prepaid card, Floki places, Floki University, and there are actually more. So if you look at the news, you can see here that Floki is actually building school, is building another school in India, and these are some of the countries they have built schools in. If you go further, you can see some other things about Floki and their social media channel. Like on X, they have over 599,000 followers. So this is exploring the Floki ecosystem. If you're a nerd that likes to read, you can check out the Floki white paper. You can see the way it's integrated. You can learn about the Floki University, the Valhalla, the Floki places, and even a mystery project. They organize in such a way that's simple to read. Just click here to go to the section you want to read and read about it. It's quite explanatory. Of course, it's hard to buy. The tokenomics you want to learn about it. The exchanges where you can buy it, trading bots, learn about it, and so on. Now, Flokify is a product of Floki. Now, if you want to invest in a project that promises to lock up liquidity, to ensure that they lock the liquidity, they have to come to Flokify and lock their LP token there. If they do this, you are sure that they're not going to rock pull on you. So that is what Flokify does. I can see here that this is the total value locked in Flokify at the time of me making this video. The sister project is TokenFi. TokenFi I've made a video on as well. It's about tokenization of real world assets that are not securities. And this industry is a 16 trillion industry by 2030. You can come here and read more about this or check out my other video on TokenFi project. It's actually quite interesting. And you can also do the same thing by coming here to read more about TokenFi. This is a white paper and is pretty cleaned out, just the way Floki white paper is also cleaned out. Section 3. What are the updates? What is Floki doing right now to push it to the top of the meme coin category as it has envisioned? I'll give you 9 of them. And number 9 is worth $12 million. 1. Floki is in Nigeria. Early last week, I spotted a Floki ad on a billboard along Lekki Ekpe Expressway in Lagos. And I learned later that it was just a test ad. The main ad started later that same week on June 14th. It's going to run in Nigeria, 3 major cities: Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. Nigeria has a population of over 200 million people. 35% of Nigerians aged 18 to 60 are actively investing in crypto. The Floki ads in Nigeria are meant to generate more than 36.5 million impressions over 4 weeks. 2. Floki is launching a trading bot. The use of trading bots by DeFi traders is on the increase, and Floki trading bots will cut across multiple blockchains. And Floki will be the main utility token of the bots. 50% of all the fees generated through the bots will programmatically buy and burn Floki. 3. Floki name server is live on the BNB chain mainnet. You can now have a .floki domain name. They partnered with Space Protocol to bring this to life. 4. Floki is expanding to Vietnam. This campaign will start on June 17th. Vietnam is the 15th most populated country with over 100 million inhabitants. It has the second highest crypto ownership globally, with over 21% of its population owning crypto. 5. Floki just hits a total value locked all-time high of $820 million across its 2 key ecosystem products, Floki Staking and FlokiFi Locker. This surpasses the combined TVL of Pepe, Weave, Bonk, Doge, and Sheep. 6. FlokiFi has a TVL of 120 million. 7. Coinbase on 30th of May launched a FlokiFi Perpetual Futures. 8. On the 5th of June, Coindex highlighted Floki as the largest meme coin on BNB. And 9. Crypto trading firm DW Labs will buy $12 million worth of Floki tokens from the open markets and the Floki treasury to support the meme coin turned utility project's growing ecosystem. So guys, Floki is preparing itself to be the main meme coin of this next bull cycle due to its strong fundamentals, including a strong utility like the Valhalla metaverse, which is the most popular crypto metaverse according to CoinMarketCap, combined TVL of over $820 million across its 2 key ecosystems. 2. Strong staking program that has locked up over 20% of supply for 3 months to 4 years, significantly reducing sell pressure. And 3. Aggressive marketing that has introduced it to over 3 billion people in mainstream, making it one of the most recognized mainstream cryptocurrencies. And guys, if all this plays out and Floki flips the 4 meme coins above it, now might just be the time for you to join the Floki community. However, always do your own research, as my videos are never financial advice.